Yeah, I think for now na-enjoy ko rin yung action. I think I'm able to tell stories that people can relate to. Men can relate to, not only men but also the entire family. So we're trying to, kasi marami na akong ginawang action before, but this time yung storylines namin, we really try to make it more relatable and mature. And I think it's a good time for action now.
Okay. How do you stay fit pala?
Yes.
Oo. Sobrang...
Bata.
Oo nga. Ano daw ininom mo? Char ngayon. Ininom ka ba?
IV clinic lang.
Pero you look, parang paniner or ano ka?
Yeah, no, kasi sa taping namin,
Sobrang...
very physical yung taping namin. So, it's really like a workout, yung taping namin. It's also endurance. Kasi we have long taping hours, we have to stay fit, we have to stay active. So yun, I think yung preparation ko naman has always been the same. Pag may show ako, I really try to prepare for it. So yun.
Nothing different.
Yeah, I try to stay as fit as possible.
Richard,